Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Absa Online Banking South Africa. For that, the first thing that you have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Absa Banking login, and then you can hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying Absa digital banking for individuals and businesses, and then hit login at the top of your screen. Here you must select your account type. For now we're going to be hitting personal account, and then you must select Absa Online or online share trading, wealth and investment management, or e-contract. As we're going to log into the bank account, simply tap on Absa Online and then hit next. You'll have to enter your access account number, your PIN, and the number of users, and then hit next to log into your account. If you have not registered for your account, you must head back over, tap on login one more time, and then here tap on register for Absa Online Bank. Scroll down. To register for the Absa Online Banking app, you will have to download the app from either the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.